My favorite part, meal prep and cooking. Let's go do it. Do it, do it, do it, do it. All right, let's go. Hey y'all, Erica with Time to Shrink. It is time to do some meal prep, so let's get going. Y'all know I always do bacon first. So I've got one sheet done. I am doing a trick with my bacon though, so I wanted to show y'all. I don't know, I can't remember where I saw this. I saw this on somebody's YouTube channel. I'm gonna try and remember and link it here up above if I can figure out how to do that. Anyways, you twist it like this, twist from both ends till it looks kind of like a little rope. And you're supposed to be able to get a lot more bacon on your sheet, and you definitely can. A really cool little trick, I think. We'll see how it bakes up and how it turns out. I will definitely show you when it comes out. Squeeze them all in. 2 sheets in. 2 sheets, y'all. That's awesome. I hope they turn out good. Actually, we'll use this one for sausage balls. All right, I'm gonna set these to the side because my oven is still preheating. Okay, now we're gonna prep the kids' lunches, and I have all of them coming in here with me because I have so many options this week. I'm gonna let them pull out of the fridge what they want and help me get started, and then I'll finish it up. So let's let them get in the fridge. All right, y'all.
Ow. I wasn't doing anything.
We have white.
I'm standing here.
Okay, we're talking on camera. Can you do that, please?
Okay, stop. You guys.
I really need. Oh my gosh, stop. Okay, y'all get what you need. There's wraps. There is the couple different kind of wraps. There's tons of fillings. So let's get out everything you need.
We have white bread?
We do. Anything else you want to pull out, Andrew? There's ham in there. There's pepperoni. You do one for me so I know what you want. Yes, we have sliced jalapenos. All right, Kira, what would you like on yours? So for Jack, I'm just doing plain barbecue. He didn't want anything in it, so just plain barbecue.
You want cheese or anything?
You want to tell them what you're making?
It's tomato cheese with roast beef on a wrap and Thousand Island sauce.
Sandwiches for Jackson.
What else I want? These savory crackers from Aldi's.
He has a ton of cheese and crackers in here.
And I'm gonna have a sandwich with white bread with cheddar cheese, ham, pickles, and mustard, and the bacon back there. I'm gonna have some of that on it.
Okay, we accidentally bought Star Wars Ziplocs. Don't have elementary school kids. I'll probably embarrass them with these. Oh well, I don't really care. So here's my little twisty bacons. Let's just get his sandwiches finished. Alright, who knows how to clean Sharpie off of what is this called, Caroline? Quartz. Who knows how to get Sharpie off of quartz? If you know, let me know down below because we just got Sharpie all on my pretty white quartz. Sausage balls, sausage, flour, Trim Healthy Mama flour, a little bit of baking powder. I already put that in too. Put a little bit of pepper in there. Now we're gonna put a little bit of salt. About 8 ounces of this cheese. They're so cute. Aren't they cute? I like them curled like this. I always undercook my bacon just a tiny bit so that they can heat it up in the microwave in the morning and it gets fully crisp. I'm going to make a buffalo chicken dip using some of this chicken breast. It's white meat chunk. Premium chunk chicken breast. Some sour cream. Some hot sauce. Cream cheese. And some ranch seasoning. Taste it. I think it's great. Alright, I'm not going to do anything else. This is what it looks like. Just going to get it into a container and put it in the fridge for the week. I like to use glass, and I also like it to be clear because if my kids can't see into it, they're not going to open it and explore and eat it. It just won't get eaten. So I always do clear, and I really do like glass.